Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we have another look into a little find from Aliexpress. It is a little bracelet that I found, and it comes with a little charm as well. It is kinda inspired by Thomas Sabo, I think, a designer, and it was like 10 bucks for the little bracelet plus the charm, which is pretty interesting to see. As you can see, this is like really easily beaded. Um, Nothing too special. Apparently it's silver, sterling silver. I'm not sure about that price, because I don't know the silver price right now, but I would think the material cost is already higher if it actually is silver than the product itself, but who knows. So this is the little charm. It is an alpaca or llama. Really depends. I'm not too sure. I'm liking the details. You got a little tinsel in front, which is also, yeah, kind of movable. You got a little detail, a little blanket in the back, and yeah, all in all, pretty solid piece. A little bigger than I thought it would be. They did save some coloration on the feet, like it's not completely blackish. That's fine as well by me, and I think it looks super cute. It is made nicely. Detail is fine, especially for 10 bucks. I would say you can't complain. Let's open this up and put it on here so we get an idea. Okay, got it. Give me a second. Let's open that up. And then you close it, and that's what it looks like. As you can see, it is just doing just fine. And then I can kind of show you what it would look like if you have it on your arm. And I think it looks super cute. As I said though, it is on the bigger side, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. And if that's something that doesn't bother you, feel free to check it out yourself. And yeah, leave your comment what you're thinking. I thought I would share it because I thought it was a pretty good deal, to be honest. You can adjust the size by just putting it wherever, and I think we call it a day. So take care, you guys, until the next day, and I will see you around.